4G LTE Intelligent Router. Today I'm going to introduce the product. It's a 4G LTE Intelligent Indoor Router. Pentium CP 4G plus 300 megabits per second high-speed internet access. Easily realize 4G to wired. 4G to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi users can connect to up to 32 users at the same time. Wi-Fi transmits 802. 11 BG and 2 times 2 MIMO. 300 megabits per second. LAN RJ453 ports. Tell RJ11 a byte to order. You can use SIM cards. Single pack size 22 by 19 by 6 centimeters. The single gross weight is 500 kilograms. Pentium CP 4G plus 300 megabits per second high-speed internet access. Easily realize 4G to wired. 4G to WIF. Do not pull broadband network cable and distress. And save money on store openings. The broadband cost of the company. Plug and use. Easily change carriers. Whichever is best. Use it. You can access the internet with electricity. Free broadband in remote areas. It's worth the trouble of not having access to the internet. Moving constant network. Rent due. Don't worry about wasting a year's worth of broadband. The network connects to a LAN port. Enable wired mode. Wired wireless now easily shared. Optical cable can also be connected. It is used as a common router. Let's see how it works. Procedure. 1. Connect the Wi-Fi name on the device. 2. Enter the Wi-Fi password on the device. Wi-Fi fills every angle with signal. You can't miss those moments. Up to 32 users can connect to Imagination Wireless Network.